हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू पंडोले स्टडीज़। तो आज मैं आप सभी के लिए लेकर आई हूँ एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट एक आर्टिकल, जिसमें मैं आज आपको बताने वाली हूँ एक बहुत फेमस पर्सनालिटी का आज बर्थडे है। उसके ऊपर मैं आज आपके लिए आर्टिकल लेकर आई हूँ। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू लाला लाजपत राय। लाला लाजपत राय जी हमारे देश के एक बहुत ही जानी मानी हस्ती है जिनका आज बर्थडे है। तो आज उनके बर्थडे के अवसर पे हम उनकी ज़िंदगी के बारे में कुछ बातें जानने वाले हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। लाला लाजपत राय 28 जनवरी 1885 टू 17 नवंबर 1928, ये उनकी डेथ एनिवर्सरी प्लस बर्थ एनिवर्सरी है। लाला लाजपत राय वॉज एन इंडियन इंडिपेंडेंस एक्टिविस्ट. He played a very important role in the independence movement of India. For giving him respect, people called him पंजाब केसरी. पंजाब केसरी के नाम से भी इन्हें जाना जाता है. He was the first member of the triumvirate Lal, Bal और Pal. He was also associated with activities of Punjab National Bank Limited Insurance Company in 1894. Lala Lajpat Rai was born on 28 January 1865 in Agrawal, a Jain family. His father was a Urdu Persian government school teacher named Munshi Radhakrishna Agrawal. His mother's name is Gulab Devi. Educational Ludhiana district of Punjab. He built first educational institute R.K. High School in Jagraon. In the late 1980s, 1970s, 1870s, he had his initial education in Government Higher Secondary School, Rewari, Punjab province. There, his father was posted as Urdu teacher. In 1980, Lala Lajpat Rai take admission in government colleges at Lahore to study law. At his college, he came in contact with future freedom fighters such as Lala Hansraj and Pandit Guru Dutt. While studying law, he was influenced by the Hindu reformist movement of Swami Dayanand Saraswati and became a member of existing Arya Samaj Lahore, founded at 1877. In 1884, his father was transferred to Rohtak and राय बहादुर शास्त्री, मतलब उनका घर में उनका शॉर्ट नेम था राय, came along after the completion of his studies at Lahore. In 1914, he quit law practice to dedicate himself to the Indian independence movement to travel to Britain and then to the United States in 1917. In October 1917, he founded the Indian Home Rule League for America in New York. He stayed in the US यानी कि United States for 3 years. His early freedom struggle was impacted by Arya Samaj and communal representations. Lala Lajpat Rai traveled to the United States in 1917 and then returned during World War I. During World War I, Lala Lajpat Rai lived in the United States, but he returned to India in 1919, and in the following years he led the special session for the Congress Party that launched at non-cooperation movement. He was imprisoned from 1921 to 1923 and elected to the legislative assembly on his release. पॉलिटिक्स में इनका करियर कैसा था? In 1928, the United Kingdom set up the Simon Commission headed by Sir John Simon to report on the political situation in India. The commission was boycotted by the Indian political parties because it did not include any Indian members, and it was met with countrywide protest. When the commission visited Lahore on 30 October 1928, Lajpat Rai led a non-violent march in protest against it and gave the slogan "Simon Go Back." The protesters chanted the slogan and carried black flags. इसी स्लोगन के दौरान ही डेथ का उनका हुआ. The police superintendent in Lahore, James R. Scott, ordered the police to lathi charge and prostrate and personally assaulted Rai. Despite being severely injured, Rai subsequently addressed the crowd and said, "I declare that the blows struck at me today will be the last nail in the coffin of British ruler in India." Rai did not fully recover from his injuries and died on 17th November 1928. Doctors thought that Scott's blow had hastened his death. However, when the matter was raised in British Parliament, the British denied any role in Rai's death. सो गाइस, इसी के साथ हमारा लेक्चर यहाँ पे ख़त्म होता है। आप ऐसे ही वीडियोस के लिए पंडोले स्टडीज़ को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को हिट कर लीजिए ताकि मेरी वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले आपको मिले और आप लाल बहादुर राय के ऊपर अपने स्कूल कॉलेजेस में स्पीच वगैरह लिख सकते हैं, आर्टिकल्स लिख सकते हैं और उन्हें हमें याद कर श्रद्धांजलि देनी चाहिए। सो गाइस, इसी के साथ ये लेक्चर यहाँ पे ख़त्म होता है। To like this video, comments on this video, subscribe to Pandole Studies and share this video. Thank you for watching.